Hello everyone, my name is Samuel. I'm 11 years old who is in the grade 6. I love reading, exploring the galaxy around us, and stay close with the latest space news. In my free time, you can often find me reading a good book, learning about the space. Now, I will share a story I wrote that is about It Is Possible. 喺2150年，有一個叫 Sam 嘅小男孩，佢住喺環繞遙遠星球嘅太空站上面。佢擁有一個好特別嘅夢想，就係要有自己嘅太空船，探索無窮嘅宇宙。雖然周圍嘅人都笑佢，但係 Sam 始終相信住 It is possible。有一日 ，Sam 喺太空站嘅儲藏室裏面發現咗一把古老嘅太空船鎖匙，佢好興奮，決定要揾到呢把鎖匙開啟到嘅太空船。佢同埋 Tom 跟住鎖匙嘅導航嚟到咗太空站一個廢棄嘅禁區，禁區裏面有一個充滿神秘雕刻嘅古老大門。Sam 深吸一口氣，推開咗呢對大門。門後面係一個沉睡住各式各樣嘅太空船嘅廢棄停靠處。Sam 攞出鎖匙對住太空船停靠處撳咗下開關，呢個時候其中一架巨型嘅太空船閃咗下頭燈。Sam 即刻坐上嗰個太空船嘅駕駛座，喺佢坐上去嘅嗰一刻，佢感到無比嘅興奮。太空船開始起飛，飛出咗太空站。雖然每一次挑戰都係一個高牆，但係 Sam 同埋 Tom 都勇敢咁跨過，因為 It is possible 呢句話俾咗佢哋無盡嘅勇氣。佢哋長大之後成為咗兩位傳奇嘅探險家，佢哋嘅故事證明，只要堅持信念就冇咩做唔到嘅。當我哋遇到困難嘅時候，只要記住 It is possible， 並且諗翻起 Sam 同埋 Tom 嘅故事，就可以獲得無盡嘅力量。多謝大家。